Hi, welcome to Hard Resident Functionality. First, now I'm going to show you how to connect your Xiaomi Mi Airfryer 6 and 5 to your smartphone. Firstly, you need to download Mi Home application on your smartphone. Then, on your Xiaomi Airfryer device, you need to enable Wi-Fi if you was connected in the past to other device. First you need to hard reset your network settings. So click settings, find Wi-Fi. Here click reset Wi-Fi settings, click yes. Cool. Now open settings again, click Wi-Fi and click enable Wi-Fi. I have enabled, as you can see. So I need to go back. Cool. So now you just need to open the Mi Home application and you will see this message on your device. Discover devices, Xiaomi Smart Airfryer 6 and 5. So here click Pair Now. Click OK. And cool. Then you need to provide the password from the Wi-Fi you want to connect to your air fryer, but you need to understand that your smartphone needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And click next, click OK, and of course it needs to be a network with 2 and 4 band, so not the 5G band, 5 GHz, but 2.4. Wait a while. Cool. Now you need to select the room for your air fryer. Click next. Agree. That's cool. So here you have device. Here you can select the programs. You have settings here, and you can set up your device. And here you have recipes. Here you have storage, and for example, you want to find the fries. So find fries. And here you have two recipes for fries, for example, classic fries with oil. Here you have ingredients, here you have tabs, and you can start the program. As you can see, automatically program for classic fries is 180 Celsius degrees, and cooking time 23 minutes. Oh my god. Of course, you can change the time and temperature, and then click start, and air fryer starts work. Oh, and we can end, eat or pause, of course. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye.